Hey girl, hey! Let me show you how to make eggnog since there was none at the grocery store. I don't know why, but all they had was pumpkin eggnog and that's nasty. So, you're gonna get some milk, put it on low. We're gonna add some vanilla, or a lot of vanilla. However much vanilla you want. Then we're gonna do some ground nutmeg. And then we're gonna put in some cinnamon. And we're gonna tap it because for some reason people tap it. I don't know why, but anyway. Cinnamon goes in if you can figure out how to open these little tabs. Give it a whisk. Now we're gonna get some egg yolks. So we're gonna separate out the egg whites and put the egg yolks in a bowl. I'm saving my egg whites so I can make something with it later. We're done. Give that a whisk. Your arms are gonna get tired. But you're gonna do sugar. Put the sugar in the bowl. Give that all a whisk. Use your arms. Change your arms. If one arm gets tired, just use the other. Life skills, people. Life skills. Now we're gonna temper. So that milk that we had on low, we're just gonna keep adding in little batches into our egg mixture with the sugar. Now we're gonna put the pan on medium heat. Return all of that inside. And we're going to be constantly whisking and checking the temperature. The temperature we're looking for is 160 degrees. So on medium heat, just keep going, whisking and checking the temperature. I do like every 3 or 4 minutes. You don't want it sitting and you don't want cooked eggs. But once it's at 160, you can put it away from the heat. And now we're gonna add in our heavy cream. There was no heavy cream because the Christmas shoppers are hoarding. So I'm using evaporated milk. It's a good substitute. It comes out a little bit sweeter than what I want it to, but hey, I wanted eggnog, so I got eggnog. I made it. Into a jar. You're going to pour it in. Hopefully you don't spill and make a mess like I did because I used a pan that didn't have like the lip thing, but it's fine. I'm the one that cleans the kitchen anyway. You're going to leave it on your counter for a little bit so it cools down, and then you're going to put it into your fridge overnight, and you're done. So if you're ever at the grocery store and there's no eggnog, now you know you can make it at home. Okay, well, we're done. Bye, girl, bye.